So, have you noticed that lately crypto is on the rise and people are making thousands, if not millions of dollars trading crypto? Latest news, Dogecoin? What started as a meme coin developed into a multi-million earnings to someone. Everything from Elon Musk's tweets. And as expected, the internet's biggest idiots came and tried to replicate Dogecoin to earn the big bucks. But hey, just to be sure, they wrote not financial advice. Yeah, no kidding, like your advice would be valid for some reason. And I decided to launch my own cryptocurrency just to show you how actually easy it is to create it. But as I am a game developer, I think, I'm gonna make a game. And in that game, the player with the highest score is actually gonna earn some of my freshly made coin. Let's start. And yeah, also this coin is not real. It's definitely not real. It's a test coin. This game is a doodle jump type game where you have to go to the moon. Yes, haha, very funny. So I opened Unity and imported my background and player and some platform. Then I started to work on the player movement and I made it so you have to move with your arrow keys or and. Get it? A and D and... Yeah, great joke. Then I made a camera follow script and some cheeky random level generation because it wouldn't be fun if it was always the same. For the player, I added the movement speed and it changes if you reach a certain amount of points, but it's a secret and I won't tell you. Also, the generation is not procedural, it happens every time a player starts the game. After that, it was time for some particles, and I added some music so you wouldn't get bored, and a mute button so you don't have to listen to that shit. I made the main menu with the about page where you could directly subscribe from the game. And after that, the game was pretty much done. You can download the game in the description and try to beat my score. Also, while you're down there, make sure to subscribe. And if you reach the moon, you will get a cheeky QR code that leads you to Google Forms I made. And in there, you can post a picture of your high score and your wallet. And if you have the highest score in 1 week, you will receive 1,000 of my useless coin. But come on, it's good to participate, even if the prize is a little bit not fair. But I don't even think you can beat my score anyways. I'm literally the best gamers, guys. And just to show you how easy it is to actually create your own crypto, you go to Google and type how to create your own cryptocurrency. You click on this first link and you basically yoink this code. And paste it and change the name, change the variables, and boom, you have your own cryptocurrency. And I added 1,000 NFAs to my account. And you're probably wondering, what the frick is NFA? Well, I name my coin not financial advice since, yeah, it's definitely not. And I didn't have 30 bucks so I couldn't make it official, but you know, I'm a student so I don't have any money. I used the main Ethereum network. Although my network will not be worth anything, it will still be transferable through MetaMask, and that's how I'm gonna send the tokens to the winner. So first we have to make our MetaMask account. A MetaMask is a Chrome extension, and since we're making a test coin, we can actually Google Ethereum test coin, find ourselves 1 ETH. Now the code gets passed on remix.ethereum and we compile. We get some errors here, and the best way to fix it is just to delete it. There it is. That's how programming works. On MetaMask we go add token and add our contact ID, and there is our own NFA coin. We can go ahead and use other people's wallets and send them some of that fine NFAs. But yeah, that's the coin, guys. It's literally going to the moon. Get it? That's the joke. Get Bitcoin to the moon. The game, you know, you're a Bitcoin.
Late nights, I just cry.
Anyways, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to actually make your own crypto. And please don't go listening to these influencers who never said anything about crypto related promoting these. They 100% have a huge amount of it and they want to bump up the price so they can sell it and earn millions while their fans sit around with hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt. I don't understand how could you promote that obvious scam to the fans that literally made you who you are today. But hey, what to expect from two idiot brothers who literally started to get hit in the head to earn more money. And thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, I create other videos. You can go check on the left or the right, and in the middle you can actually subscribe to help my channel and watch more of these fun videos I do. Yeah, see you in the next one, guys.